Children, I am very bad at remembering the important dates of my family, members and friends. So I had decided to make reminder calendar that looks like this. Can you see this calendar? It's looking so beautiful. Let us understand how can we make this beautiful reminder calendars. Materials required for making that reminder calendar are: you need a cardboard. From that cardboard you have to cut a rectangular shape like this, circular shape with a neck like tennis bat. You have to cut the cardboard in this way. You will need a triangular shape cardboard also, a few leftover clothes like this, old invitation cards, poster colors, sketch pens, scissor and scale. These all things are available easily at your home. Now let us understand how can we make this calendar. First of all, we'll make the face of the clown. For making the face of the clown, we need this circular shaped cardboard. This the face you can paint with any of your color of your choice. Then after you will take the triangular shaped cardboard, this one, and then you can cover it with colored chart paper also, or you can cover it with a piece of cloth also like this. I have used this cloth to cover the cap, and you can decorate the cap according to your interest or wish. In this way I have pasted the white balls of the paper on this cap, and I have pasted flowers also, that I have obtained from the invitation card. I have cut it from the invitation card. And then you can make eyebrows, eyes, nose and lips of the clown. Then after you will decorate the rectangular shape cardboard. How will you decorate the rectangular shape cardboard? You have to take the cardboard and then cover it with a piece of cloth as I had done, or if you don't have the cloth you can cover it with the colored chart paper of your choice, and then cut the alphabets from the invitation card. I have written I love my family, and at the bottom of the rectangular piece you have to paste the month name as January, February. You all can see it is visible to you. January, February, March, April, May, June, July till December. And then with the help of these cards only I have cut the strips from these cards and then paste just below the months. This strip is pasted just below the January month, then one strip below the February month. In this way at least 12 strips you will need, and paste all the strips below the months. And as on 23rd it is my sister's birthday, so I have pasted 23rd just below the January strip. So in this way I will remember the 23rd January is an important day, and this is my sister's birthday. So in this way you can decorate these strips by pasting flowers, or you can apply your brain and according to your interest you can decorate the strips. I have pasted the emojis also so that it can look attractive. That's how you can prepare this reminder calendar. Just